Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So this is live price prediction of XRP, but in this time, my brother, the XRP were very badly fails down. So therefore, in this video, I will completely discuss to why they were fails down. In upcoming time, my brothers, can there is a chance to XRP price will wake up or not, my brother, and what we need to do, my brother. So let's start this brand video without any time waste. But please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for videos notification. So XRP, my brother, were fails down, and I think, my friend, this time, as you can see here, 3 days. The last 3 days, the coin were completely fails down. I can't expect this from XRP, but this is reality. As you can see here, the price were fails down from 1.25 USD dollar to 1.09 USD dollar. So currently, there is a chance to 1 or 2 days they were more fails down, but don't worry. If you are a short-term investor, definitely sell it and be safe from more loss. And at the mid of month, again buy it. But if you are a long-term investor, then don't see this short fails. Definitely make sure to this is holding time. All right. So therefore, my personal advice for all of you now to please hold it now. I hope they will easily moving upward, and 1.5 USD dollar, this is possible target. So I know they will hit now easily, just in only if they will get 10% profit in every day. So just in only 5 to 10 days they will take now. So therefore, my brother, XRP, I hope to again there is a chance so they will increase now, but this time the price were very badly fails down. So if you are a short-term investor, definitely it's a profit time, sell it now. Otherwise, in upcoming 2 days or 3 days, there is a chances so the coin will very badly fails down, because the short-term investor, they are starting selling when they see a good profit. So definitely they decide to this is selling time. So be ready for a risk and get a profit if you want to get a profit in those days. So I think this is the very good time to you to buy to sell it now, because the price, there is 100% chance to the price will fails down more and more, because from last 3 days the coin will completely fails down, and absolutely after a fail 100% there is a chance so they will wake up. So therefore, absolutely, if you are a long-term investor, then don't worry, there is 100% chance to after this fails they will take a very huge jump now. Thanks for watching holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for videos notification.